In today's video, I'll be doing something a bit different from the normal finding the solutions to a set of equations, that is, finding the values of x and y in a system of equation. I'll be showing that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2, commonsensically. But I'll be applying some rules in mathematics, and at a point, I will misapply a rule or some rules that will lead to this result. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And I would like you to, in the comment section, comment on where I misapplied a rule or some rules. So, before I proceed, I would like you to like this video, also share it if you find it very interesting, and subscribe if you have already not done so. So let's proceed. Before we show that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, I will first of all make this assumption: 1 is equal to 1. Of course, 1 is equal to 1. Then I will make a substitution. 41 minus 40 is equal to 1. It's equal to 61 minus 60, which is also equal to 1. I have not misapplied any rule here. So I will express 41 as a sum of two squares, and also 60 as a sum of two squares. 41 becomes 16 plus 25. Yes, 16 plus 25 is 41. Then I still have my minus 40 here. If I simplify this, I will have 1 as the answer. So I have not misapplied any rule. 61 can also be expressed as a sum of two squares, which is 36 plus 25. Then we still have our minus 60. Now I will now express 16 and 25 as squares. So I have 4 squared plus 5 squared. We have our minus 40 remaining there. And 36 is 6 squared. 25 is 5 squared minus 60. Now let me express this one now in a form that I can easily manipulate. Now 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 40 is 2 times 4 times 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 6 squared plus 5 squared minus 60 becomes 2 times 6 times 5. Yes, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. As you can see, I've also not misapplied any rule in mathematics. Now, let us remember this rule. If I have a minus b all squared, it will expand to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. I will use this expansion here. So my a is 4 in this case, b is 5. We have a 2 here, a is 4 and b is 5. So I will apply it in this and also in this. That means that I'm going to express this as a minus b all squared. Also express this in this form. So my a minus b becomes 4 minus 5 all squared is equal to this also in this form, 6 minus 5 all squared. Do you also notice that at this stage, I have not misapplied any rule in mathematics? I'm still in order. Now let's proceed. Now 4 minus 5 is squared is equal to 6 minus 5 squared. I'll have to do this. Let me square root both sides. I'll find the square root of both sides. That is 4 minus 5 all squared multiplied by 1 over 2, that is the square root, is equal to 6 minus 5 all squared, also multiplied by 1 over 2. So this will cancel this, giving me 6 minus 5. This will cancel this, giving me 6 minus 5. And this will also cancel this, giving me 4 minus 5. Now, let me cancel the 5 out, or take this 5 to the other side. So 4 is equal to 6 minus 5 plus 5. Then this will cancel this. So I have 4 is equal to 6. I'll divide them by 2. 2 here is 2. 2 here is 3. So 2 is equal to 3. 2 can be expressed as 1 plus 1, which is 3. So I misapplied or even made a mistake along as I am solving. At what point did I misapply any rule or made a mistake as I'm solving? I would like to read your comments in the comment section.